Welcome back, my friends. All right, we'll be looking at HTML page structure. Now, but firstly, let's go to the VS Code that we downloaded and then install it. Okay, you accept it and then you click on next, and then you can also check out the create icon. You click on next and then you install. So you can see it is installing. So we are done installing. You click on finish, and then what I will advise, then it's going to automatically open, but I'm going to close it down. Yeah. So what I advise you guys is you go to your desktop and then create a folder especially for this tutorial so that you can get all your work in one place. So you can just call it HTML tutorial. Click on enter and then open the folder. So we want to open up our VS Code because that is what we'll be using in building this website, building our own website. So we want to open our VS Code but on this directory. So what we do, we click here and then we type in cmd to spin up our command prompt. You see something like this, and type in code space dot enter. Then our VS Code is going to come out like this on that current directory. So we just need to take all these things off so that they don't disturb our view. Just cancel them out, cancel them out. Yes, so what we're looking at is HTML page structure. Now, what is a page structure? In HTML, but firstly, let's create a file, and this file we'll call it page structure. Page structure dot html. Every HTML file you create, you must end it with the extension called .html. If not, it's not going to work. You click on enter, and then this is the page structure of HTML5. You open this thing, say doctype HTML, then add, and then say body. This is a structure of every HTML page on the internet. This is a structure. Now, in every website, let's go to one common website like this. Now, on this website, every website is divided into two main parts: the head and then the body of the website. So in this website, what is the head of this website? This tab you are seeing, at the head of this website. By everything inside this thing that we can read and interact with are the body of this website. And this is the structure of the website. Let me go through the meaning of what they mean. Now, and this first line, what is the meaning of this? It means that what we are actually working on, we are writing, this thing means HTML version 5. We have different type of HTML version, but because of this heading, we are telling the browser, hey, whatever code that we are writing, we are actually using the latest version, which is version 5. Then this one is called the root elements, telling you that everything we are writing are not just text, but they are hypertext markup language. So this is the root element of your page, and then your page is have two main elements, which is the head and then the body. Everything inside this head are called metadata, and everything in this body is what we can interact with on the page. All these are something that are inside that are in the body element. So all these are the body elements, while these tabs on the browser are the head in the HTML page structure. Alright, this is the end of this, and we'll move to the next topic.